Your brain determines every aspect of your personality and consciousness, who you are, and how you navigate through life. It determines all of your behaviors, be they emotional, mental, physical, intellectual, or spiritual. Throughout life, we all accumulate dysregulation in the brain through ongoing stress, traumatic events, boredom, and intense emotion. This is a natural consequence of life. When too much dysregulation is accumulated due to traumatic experiences, it is called post-traumatic stress disorder. However, traumatic experience is only one of the ways that we accumulate dysregulation. Stress, genetics, poor nutrition, illness, injury, and toxic substances also contribute greatly to the accumulation of dysregulation. The effects, short of PTSD, can be anxiety, depression, addiction, sleeping and eating disorders, or any combination thereof. Neurofeedback, or EEG biofeedback, is the electronic restoration of the brain's natural balance. Many people get gym memberships to improve their healthy bodies. We provide what you might call a gym for the brain. For more than 30 years, this non-invasive technology has provided dramatic results for a multitude of symptoms. Peak performers have benefited from greater mental clarity, the control and elimination of stress, better sleep, consciousness expansion, and an overall higher quality of life. In our therapeutic practice, we treat many clients with autism and autistic spectrum disorder, ADD and ADHD, chronic stress, anxiety and depression, insomnia and other sleeping disorders, PTSD, and migraines. We also help clients to lose weight, stop smoking, or end addiction to drugs and/or alcohol. Neurofeedback is also indicated in the recovery from traumatic brain injury or stroke. However, in addition to the therapeutic applications of neurofeedback, we have just as many clients that come to us for what we call elective treatment or peak performance training. Peak performance neurofeedback training helps the brain to maintain a state of calm, focused clarity under the most stressful conditions. This is especially empowering for professional athletes, high-powered executives, entrepreneurs, entertainment professionals, and creatives, or anyone who wants a competitive edge in their chosen profession. So if you want to enjoy more focus, better concentration, better sleep, and an overall higher quality of life, contact us today to see if neurofeedback might be right for you.